Hi everybody, it's Frank here from Life Through My Lens. Yes, and I'm back again for another magnet fishing adventure. And today I'm back in Cambridge, the place I live. I'm down here by the River Cam, which flows through the city of Cambridge. Today I have no Patrick or Miss Freckles. It's just me today, me and my magnet, and I've also got my bike with me today. Come on, a little fold-up bicycle. So please join me and let's see what we find today in this stretch of river. I'm now ready for the launch. Well, I think this is going to be the first find of today. There we go. I think I might hypnotise you. Yeah, I used to do hypnotism years ago. Yeah, with a metronome. But there we go. This looks like a fishing weight to me. It's on the end of a line. So, a fishing weight. Right, got to show you my second find of the day. And before you think it, no, I haven't been drinking any alcohol. I do like alcohol, but not like I used to. I'm more of a tea drinker nowadays. So here we go. There we go. It's a can. Oh well, half a can of Kronenberg. That's a funny find in itself. So yes, another interesting find, magnet fishing. Well, I've got to say this next find is probably got to be my find of the day so far. Well, I haven't had too many so far, but this one's fantastic, and I don't think I've ever found one of these items ever before. So here we go. There we go. It's a badge. And the badge actually says Cambridge Evening News, which is our local paper here in the Cambridge area. I used to work for them years ago. So, great find. And it actually says every day. So, I think years ago people used to order their Cambridge Evening News quite regularly. But I think the sales have dropped off a bit. So they now do like a weekly newspaper. So that's a little bit about Cambridge newspaper. I think I have vetted my Cambridge newspaper badge because I found my first one of the year 2026. I've now got a fishing lure. Look at the size of that baby. Very happy with that one. So a fishing lure. Well, the next find I actually love as well. Yeah, we've had some good interesting finds so far. So this next one is, there you go, got myself a little pipe. Great. I think it's one of them little pipes that people like to smoke their weed in. So a little weed pipe. So yes, very good, happy with that. so far so good. Hope all you lovely people have had a great week so far in the world, wherever you may be. I do have some lovely subscribers in Indonesia, Philippines, Kenya, America, India, UK and across the world. So thank you for keep tuning into my videos. I do try to make them interesting as best as I can. I'm not going to always please everybody, but I do but try. I'm definitely no Steven Spielberg or a good director, but I do try to edit my videos so they're nice and neat and tidy and you enjoy them, and also try to add a little bit of music to them as well. So this is me, life through my lens. Well, this is the second item of this item which I've actually found this year, which is actually quite amazing. We're only in January and so far, here we go. I've got myself another Nokia phone. Yes, that's the second Nokia phone of the year. I don't think I found one Nokia phone in the whole of 2025, and we're only 3 weeks into 2026, and already there is a second Nokia phone. So I'm really happy with that. This has got to be the best find of the day now. A rally bike. Let's have a closer look at this bike. Closer examination, and I think the front tyre is still okay. The back tyre needs a bit of repair. I think the brakes look broken, and the other side brake, yes, one of the brakes still works. So a bicycle. Hi everybody, it's Frank here. This is my part of the video now. We're going to show you my finds of the day, and we've certainly got some interesting ones to show you today. So let's get started. So first one up, there we go. Nothing really exciting, but funny in itself, a Kronenberg can. Little bit of scrap, nothing really exciting there. Then this part here, possibly off a bicycle. It looks a bit like one of them things to stand on a bicycle you get when you trying to stand your bike up, a bike stand. Then, as their boat goes behind me, Tower in Cambridge. Yeah, there we go. Love this one. A second Nokia phone of the year. Really, really good. Really, really happy with that one. Then, something I've never ever found before. Yes, it was a badge. A Cambridge News badge, which says every day. Interesting, different, quite happy with that one. Then my first one of the year, there we go. Closer look up, a fishing lure. Yeah, it's got a great hook on that, really nice. Really close look up. like the colours on this as well, the green and the fin as well at the end. Really nice, happy with that. And then this next one up was really funny in itself, of course, was the pipe. It's the first time I ever found one of them. So I think somebody might have been getting high down here by the river, and then suddenly lost their pipe due to the influence of the smoke. A pipe. And then I'm going to show you, just take my camera here to show you my the best find of the day is here. There we go. So a bicycle was a great find in itself. So I want to say thank you everybody who took the time to watch my video today and my previous videos. I appreciate all your support, and I look forward to making more videos very soon. So hope you have a great week or a weekend ahead, wherever time you watch this video. So take care and good luck. Nice bit of street art. Nice bit of street art. To the rushing water speak, I am